Hey everyone, it's Miss Brandon from the Benjamin branch of the Greensboro Public Library. We are definitely in the middle of pumpkin spice season, and I'm here to say that pumpkin spice isn't just for lattes. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin spice lip balm, plus a simple and delicious variation for a more wintry version. Here are the ingredients you'll need: a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of beeswax, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. You can also add vitamin E oil or switch out some of the coconut oil for others. Here's the equipment you'll need: a glass jar, containers for the lip balm, a pot, and a stovetop. Measure all the ingredients and place in the jar. Then place the jar into a pot of water. The water in the pot should come up just past the ingredients. Warm the water over medium-low to medium heat. No need for it to boil or even simmer. Keep an eye on the ingredients, and once they're fully melted, turn the stove off and move the pot off of the heat. It looks like we are just about there. While being careful of the hot glass, remove it and place it on a burn-proof surface. The glass and its contents are very hot and you do not want to touch or spill them. Stir the ingredients vigorously to make sure they're fully incorporated. Then carefully pour into your lip balm containers. This recipe should yield about 5 lip balms. Let them cool on the countertop until solid, and don't cover them until they're fully cooled. Put the tops on and enjoy. An easy variation on this recipe will yield hot cocoa lip balm. Simply replace the pumpkin spice with unsweetened cocoa. One note: these lip balm recipes do not contain preservatives, so always apply with clean hands and discard if it looks or smells differently. Happy crafting! And don't forget, the Greensboro Public Library is open online all day, every day, with downloadable ebooks, audiobooks, movies, music, and more.